I will use repeat patterns to place a copy of this pattern on the screen, and I want to show you a couple of things. I know that we have discussed this several times. I have the pattern selected. I clicked the repeat patterns icon. I'll click OK. Now if I want to do a virtual stitch out, if I just click on the virtual stitch out icon, it's not going to do anything. If I press the F2 key, it's not going to do anything. The reason is that I have the repeat pattern setup box over here. It's there. So you need to get rid of that so that you can do a stitch out. Now, one quick way of doing this is the quilt icon, and when I click on the quilt icon, it will do a virtual stitch out. Also, notice over here your edge-to-edge setup icon, the setup box, is no longer there, and you cannot stitch this out virtually with that box present. But when I clicked on the quilt icon, it closed out the edge to edge in repeat patterns setup box. There's a couple of other things you can do. I'm just going to escape and stop this. I will delete this pattern, and I'm going to place the pattern on the screen again. Click the repeat patterns icon and click OK. The pattern is there. I want to do a virtual stitch out. I found that you can just right click, and most of the time you can go ahead now and stitch this, because when I right clicked, notice that it closed the repeat patterns setup box. So that's one way of doing that. And another way is, I'm just going to do escape again and I'll delete that. Go and place another copy on the screen. If I close this by clicking this X, I can now do a virtual stitch out. So there are ways that you can do your virtual stitch out. Hope this helps the question that was asked previously. So I hope you enjoy watching this video.